Wesley Dodson with Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at a 1971 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. This car does have a 396 big block in it. It is numbers matching. It is all original. 7,000 original miles on this car right here. It is a split bumper car. It is beautiful burnt orange with black interior. Just a really, really nice, awesome car. One of a kind car. This is a very limited production car. We believe somewhere around 200 cars were made in 1971, and this is one of them. 7,000 original miles right here on this Camaro, and we're going to take a look at it. What a beautiful car it is. First, we're going to take a look at the passenger side of the interior. All looks great all inside the passenger side here. Interior's great shape, factory air car. AM FM factory radio does work. Rear speaker. Just a one of a kind. It's got the shoulder straps. Really looks good. I'll show you the bottom of the doors here. Just an absolutely all original, unmolested car right here. Looks even better in the shade with the sun in. Open the trunk here, show it to you. Yeah, it really looks good. Spare tire, original spare tire, original jack equipment. Never even been taken out of the car before. All inside the trunk looks great. Jack stuff there. I'm gonna shut the trunk here and have him start it up for me. Oh yeah. If there's a better sound than that, I'd like to hear it. Door buzzer works. Horn works. Shut the door here. Oh, show you the dash. It's got all the gauges. Tack works. Shut the door there. Take a look at underneath this hood. I know y'all been waiting to look at it. Like I said, it's powered by the numbers matching, 396, 300 horsepower, V8, factory air, power steering, power disc brakes. This car also has the build sheet. I forgot to mention, does have the factory build sheet, which is pretty awesome. Show you the the body coat plate right there, or trim tag, a lot of people like to call it. You can see that. Just a really, really awesome car. Shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at it. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS 396 big block. All right, we're going to take this for a test drive. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. It's 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, here we go for the test drive. I'm going to take this 1971 Chevrolet Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. Show you the radio. Can't do it very long. Will get me for copywriting on YouTube here. All right, here we go. car does great, doesn't rattle or shake. Just a great driving car. Have him get on it here. We gotta wait for a little bit of traffic. Not bad though. All right, here we go. Car shifts through all the gears the right way. Plenty of power. Back here. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. It's 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, here's the underneath.